Hello friends, today we celebrate the Independence Day of our nation, India. 78 years ago, our country got its freedom from British rule. We are free to play, learn, and grow because of the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Let's remember some of the brave heroes who fought for our freedom. First of all, Lala Lajpat Rai, who fought against British rule and inspired many to join the freedom movement. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who said, Swaraj is my birthright and fought for self rule. Mahatma Gandhi, who showed us the power of non violence and led the nation to freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose, who formed the Indian National Army and fought for our country's freedom. Bhagat Singh, who sacrificed his life for our nation's freedom at just 23 years old. Khudiram Bose, who became a martyr at just 18 years old for throwing a bomb at a British judge's carriage. Surya Sen, who led the Chittagong Armory raid against British forces. Chandrasekhar Azad, who fought bravely against British rule and inspired many young revolutionaries. Binoy, Badal, and Dinesh, who participated in the Chittagong Armory raid and fought against British forces. Rani Rashmoni, who fought against British rule in Bengal. Mongol Pandey, who sparked the Sipai Mutiny against British rule. We can now speak our own language, enjoy our own festivals, and make our own choices. We must always remember and respect our national flag, our national anthem, and our national heroes. As students, you have the power to shape India's future. Be curious, ask questions, and learn from history. Let's work together to make our country a better place for everyone. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.